has finally arrived in Washington, D.C. I got here just in time for the warmer weather. Cherry blossoms are thriving, outdoor cafes are opening, and people are coming out of winter hibernation. It's actually my second time in D.C. I came here 13 years ago for an 8th grade field trip, which I can hardly remember. So today I'll be taking you on a 3-hour Segway journey of D.C. to show you the ins and outs of my nation's capital, which I discovered on KKday's new app. And of course, I'll teach you some history along the way. If you've never ridden a Segway before, these things are so much fun. It's a great way to cover a lot of ground outdoors without any effort. I was fully embracing the tourist look. The White House. So the White House was completed in 1800. The official residence and workplace of every president since John Adams. It's actually a lot smaller in person than it looks on TV. Then we went up Philadelphia Avenue to the US Capitol, home of Congress and the seat of the legislative branch of the US federal government. Also, where the president gets inaugurated every 4 years. The Lincoln Memorial. Going to say hi to Abraham Lincoln real quick. A massive statue of Abraham Lincoln completed in 1922. The site where MLK's I Have a Dream speech was.
I still have a dream.
And just an all-around great memorial. Washington Monument. Made of marble and granite, this is the world's tallest stone building, standing at 555 feet, 5 inches. It was the tallest structure in the world from 1884 to 1889, surpassed by the Eiffel Tower. World War II Monument. Lastly, we visited this lovely monument dedicated to those who fought in World War II. We were even lucky enough to meet some of them today. So these are all World War II vets who are here at the memorial. But aside from all the famous monuments, Washington D.C. is scattered with so many cool buildings. It kind of feels European with the old architecture, and there aren't any skyscrapers. I was impressed. It's been a really special experience being here. Something just hits home. It's the foundation of my land, and I can reconnect with my roots. I think every American should come to D.C. at least once in their life so they can see and feel where this country began. Washington, D.C., I will be back. I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.